So it's raining right now, and I have an Apple Watch, which is no problem for it. Usually in the rain, it's not a problem to still manipulate and touch the screen. However, I do like to swim. So I might start a pool swim. And the problem after you get done is turning it off or changing the screen. So right now the lock is on, the water screen lock. So you unlock it when you're done, and you would normally want to then swipe over and pause or end. I'm just going to pause it for now. Sometimes those screen presses don't work. I noticed at first they worked a lot better with the standard oleophobic coating that comes on there, but after a couple years I'm pretty sure that's mostly worn off. So what I had been doing was after I'm done with my swim, I would press the 2 buttons on the side to pause the workout, come dry everything off, and then come and end the workout. So I bought this Rain-X Waterless car wash and rain repellent. If you look at the back, it says for use on all surfaces, whereas some people talked online about using Rain-X for this purpose and didn't suggest it because it says do not use on plastics. Other people worried about the oleophobic coating that's on the watch or the phone, for that matter, coming off, but like I said, I'm pretty sure mine's been gone for quite a while. So if I start a workout again, let's see, I'm gonna just use water from the table here since it's raining to cover the watch. Try to get it on there. Alright, so first of all, it doesn't really stay, but the water that's on there usually causes a problem. So I'm done with the workout. I unlock it, and before applying this coating, it would have a hard time swiping and turning things off or pausing it. However, you still get things jumping around a little bit. Of course, you can always just blow off what's there, and it appears to solve my problem. So I'm gonna keep using it.